got my hair done, so let's do my makeup to find out if I really like it, okay? A bit of primer all over my face. I produce lots and lots of oil, which are, oh guys, I was creating a transition for Instagram. That's why the blue bonnet has come on my hair. I don't know, should I take it off or I should just continue filming like this? And if there's one thing I love to do after applying my mascara, I use whatever is left on the tail of my eyebrows. It just makes sense. Like, it's so pretty. And yeah, that's all I do to my brows. For lips, let's do lip gloss first. I think this is how I want to leave the lip. To open up the inner corner of my eye, just because I have like really tiny small eyes, I'm going to add a dot of eyeshadow here and sort of swirl that in place. You got to love it. Alright guys, so what do we think of my hair so far and my makeup? I'm done with my makeup and I think I look so pretty. I actually do quite like the hair. Like, yeah, I don't know, man, like it looks good. And I try to keep my makeup really minimal, really natural. Like, this is something I would wear to just go out and hang out with friends. Yeah, it was really pretty. The lips is really my vibe. Like, it's so soft and quick. So yeah, if you have any questions about this look, please let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share, and follow for more. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys on Sunday for a week vlog in my life. Okay, so bye guys.